Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn on dark mode on YouTube. You'll be able to enable dark mode on your YouTube. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you watch to the end of this video. I so much love using dark mode in my social media apps. Like, it's actually beautiful. The contrast and every other thing is cool. Well, I believe you're watching this video because you want to change yours to a dark mode, and believe me, you're going to love it. Let's get started. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step that you have to take is to tap on your YouTube app to open it. Let me tap on mine. So guys, once you open your YouTube app, the next step that you need to take is to tap on your YouTube profile icon. You can see it there at the top right corner. You tap on it. Let me tap on it. So guys, the second step that you have to take is to tap on settings. You can see it there below. You can see that's the third to the last option. You tap on it. Then the next step that you have to take is to tap on general. Under the settings, you have to tap on general. That's the first option. You tap on it. So guys, this is where you do the magic. You can see the third option where it is written dark theme. So guys, you can see what is written there: reduce glare and improve night viewing. Immediately turn on this dark theme option, your entire YouTube screen will turn to black. So guys, let me toggle it on. Wow guys, you can see this is so magical. It just translated into a dark theme automatically. Now let's go over to our home page on our YouTube. You're going to see that it is also dark. So guys, you can see now our home screen on our YouTube is dark as well. So guys, this is so awesome. This is so marvelous, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.